everyone. Today we are unboxing Love with Food. This is a new subscription for me, so I'm really excited. I've watched other unboxing videos and it definitely inspired me to purchase my own. So I purchased the Love with Food Deluxe box. So let's get started. So here it is, and this is my July 2017, and just looking at it, I can tell that it's very different from other people's July 2017 boxes. So here includes the Welcome to Love with Food, just let me see, donating at least one meal to a food bank in the US. So every purchase, they donate a meal to the food bank. So that's great. You know, it's just nice to give back to the community. So first thing I see here is Bakery on Main Maple Multigrain Muffin Instant Oatmeal. And that looks very, very good. I'm feeling it. So I can't taste this. I would have to cook it and everything like that, but it's fine, like a fine oatmeal, not a big oat. Next thing we have here are the Kashi Chewy Nut Butter Bars, Salted Chocolate Chunk. I'm excited about this. So we have two. Let me taste it because I am very hungry. So I'll taste it. Oh, it's a little melted. I'm hungry. It's good. It's really good. Not too sweet, not overpowering. Really good. Really good. Wild Garden Snack Box to Go. Traditional hummus with veggie chips. Gluten-free. So this is so sweet. This is so cute. It's a good, like, you know, you take it in your lunch. That's interesting. Okay. So traditional hummus dip. So creamy garbanzo bean dip. So it's just plain flavor. It doesn't have a flavor here. And your bag of little chippies. So you have breaking news veggie chips. Oh, I saw these with another unboxing, but they just included the chips and not the hummus, so it wasn't this little snack box to go. This is super cute. I hope it's good. I don't want to open this. The reason being, I don't think I'm going to eat it. I will give it to my husband because he needs to take it for lunch. Saves me some work. Next thing we have here are Tori and Howard USDA Organic Chewy Fruities Organic Candy Chews Assorted Flavors. So that looks good. I'll try it. It looks like, it feels like they are individually packaged. Yeah, so it looks like a little Starburst. It smells good. Maybe I'm just hungry. The texture is exactly like a Starburst. It's not too sweet. We have pomegranate. I tore it. Apple and blood orange. I think I ate the blood orange. Maybe. They're good. Next thing I see here is this. I am really excited about. Burt's Bees. Start your day with a delicious protein shake. I had no idea that Burt's Bees was doing this. You know, I have the face products and the lip products, but I had no idea. So this is vanilla. I will definitely keep you posted on how this tastes. I'm excited about this. This is, next thing I see is what looks like a cracker. panzanella, multigrain. It's a cracker. So maybe I should have had the candy last. That's all I taste is candy. This is, yeah, it's a cracker, guys. Oh, and you put like cheese on it or something. It tastes like a bland cracker. You know the crackers you buy to put spreads and cheeses on? This is exactly how it tastes like. It's just really like bland, no salt, baked. Has like a baked taste. Okay, so next thing I see is this wow butter. So what this is, 2 little packets, and what it looks like is it's peanut butter but without the peanuts. So no peanuts for those that are allergic to peanuts. So I'll taste it. I'm not crazy about peanut butter, but it does taste like peanut butter. Weird peanut butter. Same peanut butter texture, smooth, not chunky. It has a roasted nut taste, like roasted. I'm sorry, guys. Okay. So next thing we see here are the Guinea Bakes Organics mini chocolate chip cookies. I'm sorry, I'm staring at it. Okay, so little bitty cookies, sample size of cookies. So this is really a snack box. And that's what it looks like. And I received another box that's more of a meal box. It tastes like what are the little famous cookies? But a little more gritty. Not too sweet. Again, I need 2 to make sure. And good. The second one is better. I would buy these. Even though I'm trying to lose weight. But I would buy these. Okay, next thing we have here is Wonderwell. No sugar, water with a dash of organic lemonade. Organic watermelon with other natural flavors. I'm not gonna open this because I'm gonna give it to my husband for lunch in his lunch box. Next thing you have here are little espresso candy. So I received 4. Give me a close up. So I received 4. I'll taste one right now at the end. So next thing we have here is Truvia sweetener. I know that everyone has heard of Truvia, which is, I believe it's stevia. It comes from stevia. So 1 Truvia sweetener packet provides the same sweetness as 2 teaspoons of sugar. So yeah, it's a few, 1, 2, 6, 7 little packets. So it's good, definitely a good travel size. In case you just put one in your little purse. And last thing we have here are California grown maple bacon flavored almonds. The packaging is too cute. You have a little piggy that is bathing in honey with an almond. So let's try this. I'm not crazy about it. It has a roasted taste. A roasted bacon-ish taste. But definitely not, I'm not crazy about it, but maybe someone else would be. It's not sweet at all. I don't taste any of the maple, but it's crispy or crunchy. Okay, and I will try this espresso candy. It tastes like a shot of espresso. Love me some espresso. Okay, so that's it, guys. Box is empty. We have a little water, a Truvia, little snack box to go with a little hummus. We have these candies that are similar to Starburst, and these are really good. Actually, I would definitely buy these if I had a kid and give them to them, but I don't. I have a niece, so I'll buy them for her. I've purchased this brand before, now that I think about it, when I've served crackers with like a raspberry chipotle spread or something like that with a brie. So they're good for that. I'm excited about this, so I will definitely keep you posted on how this tastes. These cookies are good, and the oatmeal, definitely giving that to my husband. I could live without these. And my little cashew bars, these are great. These little candies are good. It's not overpowering. And then this peanut butter, that's pretty good. I would buy this. So yeah, guys, that was my July 2017 Love with Food box. So I will keep you posted on some of these items. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. I mean, you go shopping, you need a snack. Yeah, I can live without it. But I'm eating my hair. I ate the orange looking one, like pinky orange.